And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the countdown ends tomorrow. Jamaicans will go to the polls to decide which party will form the next government.
The Electoral Office of Jamaica, EOJ, says polling stations are primed, ballots printed, and ready to welcome voters.
Jamila Maitland explains.
The stage is set for one of democracy's biggest showdowns in recent times. In less than 24 hours, polling stations across the island will swing its doors open, welcoming thousands of voters to cast their ballots. The polls are scheduled to open at 7 a.m. The Electoral Office of Jamaica, EOJ, says all systems are a go for the general election and local government by-elections on September 3. 4 registered political parties are contesting the elections: the Jamaica Labour Party, Jamaica Progressive Party, People's National Party, and the United Independents Congress. There are 190 candidates in total, with 184 contesting the general election and 6 contesting the by-elections. Voting will take place in 7,294 polling stations. There are 2,153 locations across the island. Director of Elections Glasspool Brown, in a statement, said, "We have completed the printing of ballots at voters' list and distributed ballot boxes and supplies. Returning officers commenced the meeting with their teams on Sunday, with the final set of briefings scheduled for Tuesday." End quote. The election will be monitored by the Election Center, which is a hub for receiving and verifying reports on incidents on the ground. The center will also provide resolutions and reports to the media where necessary. The polls will close at 5 p.m., after which the EOJ says preliminary counting of ballots will take place inside the polling stations. The EOJ usually provides preliminary results by 10 p.m. on Election Day. The final count is issued 3 days later. Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.